Asterfusion AIDC Controller. Full lifecycle automation for AI data center networks. Let us get to know about AIDC Controller from 6 parts. Part 1. Pre-design. Designed for diverse AIDC scenarios, including back-end, front-end, storage, and converged networks. The AIDC controller streamlines deployment and tames complexity. Part 2. One-click configuration. With one-click configuration, complex topologies are ready in seconds, such as BGP feature configuration. Taking Leaf 128 as an example, simply click to enable BGP and fill in the local AS. Next, configure the BGP peer group by specifying the name, neighbor mode, and neighbor as number. After selecting the interface to establish the BGP neighbor, enable BFD to ensure rapid link fault detection. Then, repeat the same process for Leaf 134, Leaf 135, and Leaf 136 as needed. Now, configure the relevant parameters for Spine 127. Then, replicate the configuration for Spine 129. Finally, click Save to apply the configuration. Part 3. Multi-dimensional monitoring. Stay ahead with multi-dimensional monitoring. Gain full network insights through intelligent health scores or dive deep into switch-level resource utilization. Even the smallest detail, like optical module power, temperature, and voltage, is tracked in real time. Part 4. One-click upgrade. Perform one-click firmware and patch upgrades across your entire fabric. Next, select all devices and choose Firmware Upgrade. Specify your target software release, apply either your defined tags or the default ones, and simply click Next to initiate the upgrade process. Part 5. Alarm. Configure diverse alarms and set precise thresholds for transceiver temperature or other parameters to ensure zero downtime operations. Set the alert threshold for this operation. All active alarms are shown. Part 6. Inspection. Ensure peak performance with automated inspections. Choose between one-click instant checks or schedule periodic inspections to generate comprehensive health reports automatically. Set up the one-click health check and specify the services and sites for inspection. Click the button to run the inspection. The inspection results will appear here. Simply click to access the full report, view abnormalities, and perform troubleshooting. If you are interested in the Asterfusion AIDC controller, we welcome your inquiry. Please contact bd@cloudswit.ch. Asterfusion, leading provider open networking solutions.